All right, good morning. Welcome to the channel. It's about 6 a.m. We're gonna get out here early today. I got some errands to run this afternoon, so gonna try to get on some fish early, knock out some errands, and then hopefully come back out and get on some more fish later this evening. All right, come with us. Yum dinger on the, I got the 16th ounce blockhead on there. I had good luck with it, so figured I'd stick with it. All right. I saw something explode over there, so I pitched in there. All right, first fish of the day. Well, we may have to save him. He's gonna stay over here in this shallow pocket. Come on. He went the wrong way. All right, let's put you over here. Okay, well, the spotted bass are hidden over here in the grass. No, it's a largemouth. Little guy. Thank you, Mr. Largemouth. All right. Telling you, for some reason the yum dinger does really well through here. Come on, take it. All right, thank you, Mr. Smallmouth. You called me a liar. I said there's no fish over here, and you bite.
didn't even do? I thought he was fixing to have him.
Oh, yum dinger down. Yum dinger down. Save the yum dinger. All right, thank you, smallmouth. All right, just putting up a little fight. Right here off this big flat rock, huh?
What'd you say?
I said right off this big flat rock.
What is it?
Largemouth. All right, thank you, Mr. Largemouth. Got a little rock bass. Can't even get my finger in his mouth. Little bitty guy. Okay. It's a good one. This actually might be my best one of the day. Okay. Good looking little fish there. Thank you, Mr. Smallmouth. Go tell your friends. All right, a little spotted this time. Or no, largemouth. Huh? They all bit your Helgermite on the way down. Do what? All right. Where's the hook at?
Oh, doubled up. That's my best one today.
There you go.
Yeah.
All right.
Bumping uglies. There we go. Look. Oh, look at him. Oh, look at all. Yeah, they're just stacked up right there. Oh. Here you go. Here you go. Oh. He gonna get it. He gonna get it. Nice. Nice. You can watch them hit it here and.
Yeah, they just swim up and start pecking at it.
Damn, was that another one?
Yeah, we're gonna have to get out of the way.
The best little holes we found all day.
All right, little oh, yeah, we're over here
One
dodging.
day I had one, I'm not even lying, 2 inches from my leg. Going the other way.
Little rock bass, right off that grass line.
That's so funny. I was like looking down like, everything does look a little sun faded. Oh shit, here he comes. Oh, he turned, didn't he?
There's one right on me.
Yeah, I see the one. Bigger one. See, he only wants it if it's a big one. Look, here you go. Oh, take it. Come on, baby. Yeah, there he goes. He's gonna crush it. Yeah. Nice.
All right. Oh, there we go.
Man, why are you catching one?
That's a good one.
That's one there.
For me, yeah, I think so. If not, it's a close second.
That's a good one.
Put him back. Huh? Another little smallie. Another little smallie.
Putting on a show, folks.
All right, just a little guy. Yeah, I guess. A little bitty guy, but he's on the board nonetheless.
Just a little, I'm still not 100% sure.
So that's a largemouth. But if that back spine goes into this one, like it's a bigger one,
yeah,
it's a spotted.
That's a largemouth, okay.
Yeah, little baby largemouth. All right, that's it for trip number 1. Now I gotta go do some adult stuff, come back and hopefully get on some more fish. Stay with me. Well, errands took a little longer than we thought they were, so didn't get a chance to fish this evening. But still had a pretty good day. It worked out pretty well. Again, the Dinger came in clutch, catching fish. It catches good quality fish. I like it. It's good creek lure, the little 4-inch Dinger. Anyway, come with me next time. Try to catch some more fish.